How to fix headphone not detecting on Windows 11. In this video I will show you two methods it will fix your problem. First, open File Explorer. Right-click on this PC and click on Show More option. Open Manage. Click on Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right-click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. Select your audio device and click on Next. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
right-click and click on Uninstall. Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Open Start and type Windows Update. If any update is available, then install and restart your computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.